Good day, ma'am. I'm Nolan Lord B. Alaba. I'm a second reporter of Group 10. My topic is called about indirect tax. Indirect tax or tax direct. Tax direct are tax levied by the government on the income and wealth received by household and businesses in order to raise government revenue and are used as instruments of fiscal policy. Tax levied on household and on particular person are called individual income. Tax must pay this tax if you earn a certain amount of money. Tax directs is money ang ginabayaran or ginadidak sa atong mga income. Example ani is kanang atong mga sahod sa atong mga business. Diyan na makuha na dia ang ETC. Ayan, indirect tax. On the other hand, are tax levied by government on goods and service in order to raise revenue and as instruments of fiscal policy. Observe that these are not tax on people but on the goods and services and we purchase and consume. Tax on goods and services include the value added and exercise tax on certain product. Indirect tax. Example ani indirect tax is kaning atong mga ginapalit nga mga goods item or groceries sa tindahan, like kanang sa mall. Kung mang-grocerista sa mall, di ba, nanay makabutang da sa ato ang mga gipalit da kanang nay makabutang na receipt, yan ang receipt nga nakuha na bitaw mga tax na to daa. Pus na. Hiyo.